while Matty's going to go climb up on the tree lines that are just behind the house, I'm going to intro the video. What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today, I always say we're going to do something different, but we're not going to do something different. Well, kind of, yeah, we are. But if you can tell by the title, this is something that
is highly frowned upon. Yeah. No one likes it, everyone takes the piss out of. But no one does.
You know what? We don't care, so we're going to do it anyway. We are going to be installing neons. Now, me and Matty had a bit of a fight because we didn't really know which car to put it on first, because we've got a very, very special video coming up for you guys. You guys definitely need to stay tuned for it, and this is part of the prep for it. Just remember, boys, hashtag bring back neons. Yeah, if you guys as well like these type of videos, like who's working on the car and stuff like that, and make sure as well you do drop a like on the video. It does really help. If you guys don't think it does help, trust me, it really does help.
I was finally able to afford a haircut.
Yeah, Matty actually got a haircut. Show me your hair.
Actually.
Oh, you haven't actually got his haircut.
I did actually, but not with the revenue, because you haven't given me any money yet.
Like every video that we do, we don't really know what we're doing. This is something that we're kind of going to learn as we are doing it. Yeah, so if you guys, again, do enjoy the video, make sure you drop a like, drop a subscribe as well. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this in the future.
Like, share, comment, rate and subscribe.
Comment, rate and subscribe. Guys, who's been on YouTube that long? Remember when you used to rate videos like 5 stars? The first thing we've got to do is remove all this lower part that we removed in the last video. Matty had a bit of a...
Anyway.
So Matty's gonna remove all of this because I'm not doing it. I hate doing it.
No, I haven't even got the tools to remove it.
Your boy's got the tools. Your boy's got the tools, boy. I've got everything. Boys, I've got everything.
You know what I've taken off for you?
Yep. So we're taking this off, and what we're gonna do, well, we don't really know actually, it's up to you. We could either wire it from the battery, which is a permanent 12 volts, or we can wire it from in here, which we'll have the choice of a permanent or a
Oh.
Yo, Xavier. Oh, sorry, Matt. I thought you were Xavier. We've got the multimeter here.
Multimeter.
What?
Multimeter. If you're not a trained BTEC level 2 motor mechanic electrician, do not try and use one of these. It's very dangerous. They send out multis.
Yeah, whatever you do, don't touch these together like this. The first thing we're going to do is, obviously, the black is your neutral, so this is going to stay on the earth, which is here.
That's not
and then, yes, it is. And then we've got to find a ignition point. So I'm going to test. Before, if you guys have seen an older video, you would have seen that this wire was connected to a wire that's just inside here. Show them that, boys. So it's a blue wire, you probably can't see it, so it's just a bit of an open one there. I'm going to go and test if that is a permanent or if it is something that I could use for ignition. So the way I could do that is I put my my earth obviously on the earth, which is up there. You guys can see that. It's just like a bolt. There you go. And then I'm going to go test this. So at the minute I've got absolutely no volts. So if you pass me your key, here. So Matt is going to have to try and help me with this. So if I put that on the earth, which it is, and then I'm going to go put that on the wire. If I turn the key, and as you can see there, we have got volts. So if you turn the ignition off, Matty. Yeah, okay, go again. So turn it to ignition. There we have 11 volts, and then take it out again, which will leave me with 0 volts. So with the kit that I bought, again, I'll link it down in the description so you guys can buy this if you do want to purchase this. But in the kit that I have bought, you get, you can either run it straight from your cigarette lighter. Cigarette lighter on this car is just in here, and if we put it in there, you can't shut this, and it just looks a bit shit. So this one's your red, this one's your positive, this one's your neg. So we're gonna put a little like it's like a hoop that's exactly the same to whatever connects to that earth that's just up there. So this black wire is going to be put on the earth, and then this red wire here is going to be spanned around that blue wire where we got the ignition from. So then we'll be able to get power through obviously the cable, which we are going to route through here, and then we're going to bring up the infrared receiver, I think just about here, so Matty can change his infrared, obviously the colours and stuff. So
boom, we're in. So now we take this remote dang this, they won't be on because we ain't got ignition.
Oh yeah.
I'm out of keys though. Right, we turn that 2-step on. Bam. We have a litmus. Mary litmus.
Yeah, boy.
Come turn off the ignition. There you go, they've gone off.
Boom.
Right, so now.
Oh, that's well shit. I can't leave them on while I leave my car.
Yeah, that's ignition, you fucking arsehole. That's what I said to you. Right.
Right, you in, son?
Yep.
Boom. Now I can turn it off, on. And there's no key in the
Ignition.
Sick. That's it. That's what we're going for.
So, as you saw, or might have saw from that time lapse, we managed to get all of the wires through. Oh, bro, I can't see that tiny little hole there. It was a little bit of a squeeze, but we managed to get them all through. Like I said before, we've kept the infrared sensor and the control box up here, which is good. I'll show you guys what we've done underneath. Underneath, what we've done, guys, is we have pulled, obviously, we've got 4 wires coming through. We've got front, back, rear and sides. Front, back, rear and sides.
Yeah, boy.
So front, rear and sides. So what I've decided to do is, because it was easier to pull down this side of the heat shield, we've kept 3 wires on this side and just the 1 wire on that side. The 1 wire there is obviously going that side of the car, and these 3 here, so we've got 2 for the front and back. I think this one here is the longer one, which is obviously going this side because it's longer than the front and the rear. So I know it's a bit of a pain in the arse having to pull it through the heat shield. Hopefully it doesn't fucking melt the wires or something.
1 hour later.
I'll just explain to you guys kind of what we've done up until this point. So Matty has... Shut up! Oh.
I just saw that from the line.
So Matty has attached the wire underneath here, the LED. So we still need to route the wires as of yet, but Matty's attached it to the front. I've attached it to the side. Underneath here, you might be able to see, there's like these plugs. I'll pull the plugs out. So there's like 4, and it kind of works out really well. Oh, that's the last one there. And then it kind of goes up and follows these brake lines, and then obviously through in that little plug upwards through there. To kind of show you guys how I've been doing it, this is from the other side. So to show you guys kind of what I've been doing, so obviously these are the grommets that come out of the car. Just on the inside here, I've been like cutting out this like star thing, whatever it is, and then inside here I've been cutting like that, and then again the other side, and then just feeding a cable tie through there, and obviously it comes out this side, and then it kind of goes like that, and then you can just like cable tie them 2 bits together, and then you can keep the LEDs in. So I'm trying to do one for you guys. man, this has been a fucking big job. I thought it was gonna be a lot easier. Boy, I was wrong. But I was trying to show you guys like kind of what we've done. But this is the back wire that goes all the way back, and then it kind of goes over the top of the heat shield. This one that is going obviously on the side, and this one here is routed onto the brake lines, and it's routed to there, which goes up into the cab. And then the same the other side, we've obviously put it the other side of the heat shield. This has definitely been a bigger job than we actually anticipated, or I anticipated, or whatever. But yeah, we can finally see the home stretch, which is nice. But yeah, we've just got to wire up inside here. I'm going to show and tell obviously you guys how to do it, but man. So obviously this is the infrared receiver here. That's the actual thing that you have to point like your controller to obviously change the colours and stuff. But yeah, this is all now in. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess. We're gonna like tie up the wires and cable tie them together just so it's a bit nicer, and try and like cable tie this thing probably down into there like that. That might actually be quite nice, to be fair. So I'm gonna do that. And then, but this bit here, this bit, obviously this is our power cable that's going to be plugging into that thing down there. So the power cable, as we've discussed, red is positive, black obviously is the negative. So black will be easy, I just need to put a crimp on there, and it's going to go on just that little thing just there.
Record somewhere that isn't.
Right, press it. Bro, the fuse is not in. Is it working?
Can't put the fuse in, have you?
Ah! But just be careful how you put it in.
What?
Just be careful, bro.
No, it's not going in.
Push it in.
That's in. It's working.
Is it working?
It's on.
Oh shit, it's on! Ah! Yo, let's go! Oh my god, Matty.
Josh, we fucked the back ones. Didn't work.
Oh god. Oh, you turned it off?
No, I'm being serious. We fucked the back ones. You're silicon.
Oh my god.
It looks cool.
I set the back one.
Yeah.
Does it not work?
No.
Fuck. Right. Oh, they're on! What the fuck?
Yeah.
What the hell? Bro, what is going on? Let me just introduce. So boys, you know the last clip you saw, obviously, go and get the control and just show them.
Just show them. As you can see, we've got red on there.
Got red, and obviously there is
nothing here.
So we decided that obviously we'd send the guy a message, obviously who we bought them off, and say, look, these don't work. And I said to him, we don't give up on the Josh's POV channel. We persist and we get the shit done. That's the first time, but this is like the first time we've actually put that into practice. So yeah, I thought I'd undo this and just kind of have a bit more of a look. Now, I have no idea if you guys are going to be able to see this, but in here there's 3 wires. You've got the green, which is connected to the blue point. You've got the white, which is connected to
blue.
It's the C point. And then you've got the R, which is the red wire. Now, possibly you might be able to see, but the red wire is not even on the contact, bro. So all we need to do is take this apart here, pull this down, take the sheathing off, and literally connect that back up. So all we need is a bit of heat, like a soldering iron, which my dad has got. Solder that back onto there, boys, and that's it. And that's it. That's literally all we need to do. So what I've managed to do is kind of pull this this protective sheathing back. Pull this protective sheathing back so to expose the wires at the top. So if I just see that red wire there, if I connect it back up to the red point, guys, we have red LEDs. So full red LEDs all the way around, bro. And now we have LEDs on the back. This is so crazy. I'm so happy. At least we didn't have to go and send it back and get a new one. So there we go, guys. It's all sorted. I've even cable tied it up now as well. So we have underglow on every side, boy. Let's go. It's even like dark outside. I think we started this at like 10 o'clock in the morning. It's now nearly 4 o'clock, which is not exactly great, but we've got to do it, ain't we? We've got to do it for the boys. We've got to do it for the full send. But yeah, I need to go and get some pictures of this car anyway, fairly soon, while it's still fairly light outside. But I want it a little bit dark, so obviously you can see it for the thumbnail. But yeah, I'm freezing. I'm literally so cold.
Oh,
we need to button everything up. We've literally made a mess of the whole garage. Dad, Mum, I'm sorry. Mostly Matt's fault. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure as well you drop a like and you drop a comment. What do you guys think? What do you guys think to the underglow? I mean, we see this at a lot of shows and I think it looks so sick. I know that it's like an old school, like Fast and Furious thing, but come on, boys, hashtag bring neons back. I'd highly recommend doing this if you have a ramp. Having a ramp would be like the easiest thing ever to do with this car. It'd probably take you like half the time, but yeah, we're done. I'm so hungry as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure as well you drop a like on the video, drop a comment, make sure as well you subscribe because there's plenty more videos. I've been Josh. This has been Mateusz. This has been his car. And these boys are neons. And that was our POV. Peace out.